York jobs. New York jobs, unit freedom. More about the jobs.
I'm here to protest the growth of this federal government who is infringing upon the citizens of the world. And I also feel that this bill in particular is a horrible bill because within this bill, which not a lot of people know, there's $80 billion a slush fund just in case they need to bail out Fannie and Freddie, which, by the way, is the reason that we're in this. I had a small business, I ran a pharmacy, can't do it anymore. There's no such thing as Mama Papa, and you know what? Mama Papa made this country.
Enough with big government. Enough with not honoring our Constitution and our founding fathers. We've had enough.
And I'm very angry, frankly, that the Tea Party is here and that they're getting airtime. I support this action he's taking today. I think Wall Street needs serious regulation. Okay, the bailout was the biggest mistake